C. Rights and responsibilities. Takwetaya do mudatapa Section way ni tatikwa sisa ukela plot C. Section 48. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Tablete sabu tasotele uweda luikalu bakha matahita panini lo depla aglataka teki. This is citizens 18 and older can vote. You don't have to pay a poll tax to vote. Any citizen can vote. Women and men can vote. A male citizen of any race can vote. Tipoko potisi horni su poku hita pani. Nataba hita pa aku thwela naki hita pa goba. Tipoko pokela mu kwa hita pani. Tipoko popokwa kokalude hita pani. Question 49. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Muda pele takala tedala America tipoko pogole. Serve on a jury, vote in a federal election. Masota la poisinyo kwakero, hita pala tiko dobita huter. Question 50. Name one right only for United States citizens. Kotota kweta yadakala, teda America tipoko pogo. Tasisa, vote in a federal election, run for federal office. Hita pala ko sapota huter, do huter tala ko sapota huter. Question 51. What are 2 rights of everyone living in the United States? Takweta ya kikala wakogala ula ko sapo puni mimnile. Tasisa, freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom of petition the government, freedom of worship, the right to bear arms. Tata blila tapa plato ta sumo, tata blila tagato, tata blila ta upo, tata blila kapati topado, tata blila kabato ta, takweta yala kapoklu. Question 52. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? Peperuta olo le tahilotani, papa plato, tatuto tara lemunile. Caesar, the United States, the flag, Kosopo, not ya. Question 53. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? Ta a lot of color he penegato America tipoko poni miminile. Caesar, give our loyalty to other countries, obey the laws of the United States, serve in the U.S. military as needed, be loyal to the United States. Hilokwi tatuto tarala tikoga, matwe ko support the satabla, hito thala ko support the mudobu di alotho. Question 54. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? Dito ni hita pala takuta ko kuogo nathani gaba usiale. Caesar 18 and older. Question 55. What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Klekibola America Pahumata Kothila Democracy ne Mimnile. Caesar, vote, join a political party, run for office, write to a newspaper. Etapa nulala tiruko thekara do hutata kwetosu litakso dota tikwa waita sisa ueda blupla basanamila do sene pakatikwa na kipla lo do pepe ni ya panunithu tasisa tela nyorpala. Question 56. When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? Nakabashra ton ko support henne ata kota tweli kiwo aseki gata pele. This April 15, like April to see it though. Question 57. When must all men register for the Selective Service? Pokwa koga gabaselo mila tahuta tamago kapele. This at age 18, between 18 and 26. Petha ni desihoni do kisihuni abasa. Do way ni such a seat at the qua plasine we are kelly, do senior kayakatoro ni the video bakado America siso, the tatikwa platkayak like color, do tago murkaini about page on a meter to Facebook, but I power the YouTube, the quala penny thilla, W.